How's the hair, makeup? Okay, yeah. Hello everyone, I'm the culinary student. Today we're gonna be learning how to cut a carrot. This is a carrot. First thing we need to do is we need to care for the carrot, okay? So we're gonna take care of our carrot. So we're gonna start off with two different cuts. The first cut we're gonna go into, I like to call it the sun's cut. And so it's just taking the carrot and just cutting it. And that's all you have to do for the sun's cut. It just makes these nice, beautiful circles, and I call them suns. So we just did the sun's cut. So this next cut I like to call the moon's cut, okay? And it's where you take the suns and you just cut them in half, okay? So you got the moon cut. You have a little crescent piece there. And so you just take them and you cut them in half. Be careful not to cut yourself doing this. This is a very dangerous cut. It's more advanced cut than the sun's, okay? Be careful. Alrighty, and now I want to show you a quick trick for how to do the moon's cut quicker, okay? To get the moons really quickly, you're just gonna take the whole carrot while it's a whole carrot and just cut it in half, okay? Take the whole carrot and just cut it in half. Be super careful. You want to have your hand on top of it so you don't cut yourself. And you want to go all the way through, and then it's gonna break, and then you want to finish the cut, all right? And now we're gonna lay it flat, so we have a flat surface to work with, so then it's not rolling around like it was with the sun's. The moon's is now a safer cut, as before it wasn't as safe as the sun's. So if you get to this point, if you do it beforehand, it's a lot safer to do the moon's cut. And then you're just gonna work your way, cutting like you did for the sun's, but this time a lot easier with your flat carrot. And there you have it, you got your moons. Alrighty. So now we're on to our third and final cut for this video, and I'm going to teach you, this is my favorite cut for a carrot. The carrot can be cut too many different ways, but this is definitely my go-to cut for the carrot. It's called the oblique cut. And so what you do is you take the knife and you put it at a 45-degree angle. Instead of cutting straight on, you want a 45-degree angle, and then you're going to cut into the carrot. Then you're going to rotate the carrot a quarter turn. Okay, so it's facing up, and then you're gonna go 45 degrees, move up the carrot, and cut again. And then you're just gonna do that again and again. Keep rotating and then cutting, rotate and cut, rotate and cut. And you wanna be getting smaller and smaller as you get closer to the root because the pieces get larger in diameter. Okay, and then you get these nice, beautiful wedges for your pieces. It's pretty cool. Awesome. That's it for that one.